Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to show you the Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone, and this is USB-C version. And just by looking at the box, it's a very nice box and you can tell the quality. The name is highly raised, it's very nice to feel, okay? And this is what is included in the box. So let's start with the mics. There are two mics here, or the transmitter, and there is one receiver, and this is the charging case. There is one USB-C cable, and there are two back clips, two clip magnets, and there is actually lots of stickers here. Okay, so if you want to cover your mic with the stickers with emojis, you can choose here. And there are two windscreen, or the wind muff, and two necklace strings, silicone. And there is also this quick guide, or the manual. You can find everything here about the Lark M2. And there is one very nice bag, and you can feel the bag is very nice. There is a logo here, and there's an extra pocket inside. Okay guys, so this is how you can use your mic. So if you want your mic showing, then you can just attach it to the necklace, and it's very powerful, you know. And if you don't want to show your necklace and you want it under the necklace under your shirt, then you just have to remove it and then hide it under your shirt, and then just find the magnet. Yeah, it's very powerful, it will not fall. Okay, so there is other way to wear the mic. So if you want to use the clip, you just have to clip it on your shirt, and there is attached magnet already there, so you just have to attach the mic. Yeah. Another way to use the mic, if you don't want the clip, okay, this is the clip. If you don't want that, you just have to use the magnet. You can put it under the shirt and then just go like that. So it's not, if you don't want it so close to your mouth, so if you want under the on your chest, then just do like this. Okay guys, so this is the mic, and this is very tiny. Okay, so we are going to do the sound testing quality of the Lark M2. So the setting is on the noise cancellation off right now. Okay, so we are here at the park, and it is a little bit windy here, and there are children playing. Okay, and in front of us is the highway, and there are cars, so you can hear everything here. Okay, and now I will turn the settings to cancellation on. So it turns green now, okay, although you cannot see it because it's very bright. So I will repeat what I just said. So okay guys, we are here at the park, okay, and there are children here playing, there are cars, okay, and we are in front of the highway, and there's a little bit wind here. But you know what guys, I think now that the noise cancellation is on, the mic is just concentrating on me. You know, it doesn't pick up anymore the noise. Okay, guys, so that's it. So that was the sound testing quality of the Lark M2. Thank you for watching.